This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 90 of Building Kitt from Knight Rider. In this issue, we're starting one of the last door panel, well, not door panels, side panels, the rear wing fender, I don't know what you call it. The rear bit, the bit at the back, next to the, behind the door. So we're looking at Sky Knight Part 2, that's Season 4, Episode 4. Was that not Episode 4 last time? Was this Episode 5? I don't remember. Here we go. Have a look through that. When he's finished doing his flying and stuff. Lots of stuff about that. Be a very big episode. So yes, this is what it got. What does it call it? I'll get my head in the shot so I can read it. Wing. Yes, the left rear wing, the bit with a fuel tank that he doesn't actually use, does he? I don't know. You'll never see him fill up. Maybe he does it in the trailer. So yes, we're fitting an air intake decorative piece in there, and then we're fitting the door latch pin into that, and that will be that put aside until we need it next time. Maybe next time. I would expect we're probably going to be doing the same on the other side, and then fitting them both together. And we've only got the bits to go up the back. So yeah, a little self-contained issue, this one. Looking at passive laser restraint system. Yeah, no seat belts. He doesn't need seat belts. He's got passive laser restraint system. Don't know how it works. You might know if you read the words. Other than that, let's get building. So we have the wing. Quite nice. I like it. I like it quite a lot. We've got some GM and BP screws. We're going to use one of each. First one. For the plastic is going to be the plastic screw, the BP. This is the air vent thing. But one of those screws will come out of that packet. Hopefully. There it is. That's that. And this fits to the inside here where the door will be visible down the line. Does it matter which way up it is? Yes, there's a sharp piece and a curly piece. So get the sharp bit into the sharp hole, and that will go in there from the rear. I can't get it in there. I can't get screwed in. It's the tiniest little easy bits that often give me the hardest trouble. I don't know why. Do you also have trouble with tiny easy things? Do let me know in the comments. Let me feel like I'm not completely alone. I'm going to try and get that through there without the bit on the other side. I feel like I'm just missing. I know I'm not. It's there. I just can't get it in there. Let's try throwing a little bit more light onto the subject and get a different angle. Feels like that hole is not quite big enough for the screw. I think it is. Trying to screw it through. I think there's just some paint in the hole. It's sort of blocking it a little bit. So let's try that again. Let's get that in there. And then we can get that tightened up. There we go. That is that now in place. Looking cool. And then right next to it, I believe, is where this piece goes. So this again has a shape and a key piece to put into there, just that way up. So this is again held in place with a single screw. It's going to fall out when I let go, and maybe. But as that pin is metal, we're using a GM screw to hold it in place in metal. So this is what the door will latch onto when it's all installed, obviously. So let's see if this is going to be just as awkward. No, that one was so much easier. Wonder why that would be. Make sure that is nice and secure, because that's going to be, let's say, what the door locks onto. So that is that. Another issue done. A very quick issue after the struggles of the previous few. So I shall put this aside. I'm going to put it next to the car. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to put it next to the car and see if it all lines up. But apart from that, we've got more stuff to do on here with the indicator things, the side lights and stuff before we can put that on. But that is next time. This was the final of today's delivery. So I'm waiting now for the next one. It can't be too many more to go. So stick around. I shall see you for other part works or this one if you want to wait for a bit. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.